Pack a suitcase for a plane ride. Packing for a trip can be stressful. You are always afraid that you have left something behind. However, if you do this in an orderly fashion, you will definitely find that packing is as easy as 1, 2, and 3. It doesn't have to be extra stressful if you plan to ride a plane. There are various ways to pack so that it won't be too much of a hassle if security comes in to check your bags. Here are some tips on how to pack a suitcase for a plane ride. Pack in advance. Never ever cram and pack. This is the best way to forget essential items. If you pack a couple of days in advance, you will have the time to run through your items before leaving for your trip. Have a list ready with you, and some outfit combinations you plan on wearing when you get to your destination. This allows you to organize your stuff better. Separate your clothes into categories. For you to find your clothes easier once you unpack, you can separate them into categories. You may do so by identifying and separating them into tops, bottoms, socks, underwear, sleeping clothes, and other kinds of clothes. If you wish, you can also categorize them by days or night wear. You probably have an idea on which clothes you will wear during the day and night, so segregating them into these categories could also be helpful in organizing your clothes. Roll to avoid wrinkles. Sometimes, what makes packing really challenging is keeping your clothes wrinkle-free while at the same, stuffing them all into one luggage. To be able to address this, you should roll your clothes carefully and arrange them in parallel lines. Rolling avoids wrinkles, and also minimizes the space clothes usually take. Place the same items together. All jeans should be packed together, as well tops and underwear. This saves you the time looking for missing pieces. By grouping them and placing them in one area of the suitcase, you won't have to take so long finding a piece of clothing. Place your heavier items, like jeans and coats, should be placed at the bottom of the suitcase, and work upward from there. The topmost part of your luggage should have lighter garments, like underwear and socks. Your shoes should be placed inside plastic bags before you pack them into the suitcase. Don't pack it into the top. As much as you would want to bring extra clothes and outfits, don't shove everything until your luggage is filled. Leave room at the top for your toiletries. It is important that you pack your toiletries last so that your other clothes won't squish them, and you will avoid the hassle of having shampoo or lotion spilled all over your clothes. Pack toiletries into a toiletry bag. to avoid losing your toiletries, or having them rolling around your bag in an unorganized manner, purchase a toiletry bag with a zipper and some compartments. If you can, buy a waterproof bag, so your clothes won't get damaged if any of your liquid items spill. If you are more organized, you can separate dry and liquid toiletries from each other by putting them in separate Ziploc bags before packing them into the toiletry or makeup bag. Label your bag. Purchase a bag tag. Put your name, contact information, and address into it. This saves you a lot of hassle if ever you lose your luggage. Enjoy packing your stuff. It only means that you are going into an adventure and you will be having much fun and excitement exploring.